My methods might be a little unconventional, but they do work. So what I did was I put a C-clamp on the top of the machine right here, and that C-clamp is connected to this rod. And let me see if I can get you a flashlight so you can see better. See, the C-clamp is connected to that rod there. And the reason why I have that there is because this gear right here was stuck on the machine and did not want to go this way towards the C-clamp, but I want this to go that way so that I can move the rod out through this end of the machine and bring it out through this hole. And once I pull that rod out, then this gear that's over here will instantly come off, and then I can get this gear on the end off. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I just got the C-clamp there to hold the rod in place while I hit that way, and now I have it that far moved that way. It's only a few centimeters, but it's a good amount of progress in my opinion, because before this wasn't moving at all. So I'm gonna do that and then come back once all the gears are out. These are unconventional methods, but you have to do whatever works in your situation with your machine. And I don't think a lot of people show the part of it that doesn't work so well. They just show it easily coming off. But I'm here to tell you that a lot of these gears and things are not easy to take off at all. I hope this video has been helpful. I do have one full video of all of the gears being removed from this machine, and if you'd like to check that out, please click the link that is somewhere here on screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.